So welcome to my kitchen where we're going to do a chocolate zucchini cake taste test. A couple other family members are going to come join me, and I wanted to tell you which cake recipes I used. This one here, single layer, comes from The Big Man's World by Armand Liu, L-I-E-W. And the next one comes from Sally's Baking Addiction. Maybe you guys have heard about her site. She's been around a long time. I've made a lot of recipes from her online, cookbook, lots of baked items. Okay, so this comes from her chocolate zucchini recipe, Sally's Baking Addiction. Now, I know about these two recipes and what's in them, but other family members don't know. They're going to come down here. We're going to do something fun since there's so much depressing stuff in the news lately. Let's just do something fun for Sunday evening, and we'll all try them together. I haven't tried these, but I do know all the ingredients in them. And I did use the same cocoa powder in each one. Here it is. So this is from Brian Johnson. I did some information about him in another video, but he's got the Blueprint brand. This is the cocoa powder, 75% flavonoids, and that cocoa powder is in both of the chocolate zucchini cakes. And then we've got the Hershey's cocoa, 100% cacao. That is what was used for the frosting. Okay, everybody. Okay, now we're doing Sally's Baking Addiction first. Don't eat it yet. Hang on. Remember, I showed everybody at the beginning. This is Sally's Baking Addiction. Okay, zucchini chocolate cake. Okay, don't eat it yet. Are we ready? Okay, guys. Nathan, scoot in.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Get your first bite ready.
Hold on. I'm preparing. Okay.
Okay, go.
Good.
No.
What do you think?
It's good. It's really moist.
It's very moist.
The chocolate frosting is excellent.
Yep.
Okay, get out of the frosting, go into just the cake part, as they both have the same Hershey's frosting. So here's just the cake.
Yeah. It's able to stand on its own.
Did I tell you zucchini's in it? Okay. 3 cups of zucchini in this one, only 1 cup in that one.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so set that one down. On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, what would we rate that?
3.5.
I say 5. That was excellent. There's not a lot you can improve on with that.
I'd give it a 4.
A 4. Okay, we're going to take some water, and I'm going to get the next cake ready by The Big Man's World. Okay, shh.
What the fuck is
Be
that?
quiet. Bill, get over here.
Mom!
Now
Mom,
look.
this looks like something I picked up in the yard. I swear to God,
Okay,
no
I
shit,
forgot
I've
to
stepped in
mention there's chocolate chips in both of these recipes as well. In this one, you can see the chocolate chips are a little more melted. Nathan, get in here.
That one kind of
Okay, wait, don't eat it yet. Smell it first.
I did.
Wait, don't.
I did. And it made me gag. This is the texture's already
Smells like
all wrong.
Fruit Loops.
It does.
Okay, ready?
Oh. That's a no. I get that a 1. That's a no.
Oh my God.
Huge no. Did you forget the fucking sugar? Where's my other good
Hell
thing?
no. Go back to Sally's
Okay,
Baking Addiction.
here's the thing. This one's organic. I forgot to.
Oh, that's why it's bad.
Changed my score. The first one is now a 10. The second one is a -5.
All right,
I
you
would
guys.
feed that to a dog.
That second one, poor Armin from The Big Man's World. Could you please come to my house and show me how to make your chocolate zucchini cake so that it would taste good? Because whatever I did, it's really, really bad.
Armin.
Okay, so I'm finishing up Sally's Baking Addiction chocolate cake. It is really, really good, really moist. Has a lot of chocolate chips in it.
It's very good.
So Nathan,
Yes.
what would you say about this, about Armin's
The Armin's
cake?
View, the Big Man's World cake.
Yeah, the vegan cake.
That's a 0. An absolute
Because
0.
it's dense.
It's the density is fine. I
Okay.
can deal with the density, but
Yeah.
the taste is horrendous.
It tastes
The
like,
visuals, terrible.
yeah,
It looks ground beef-esque.
It's sort of got a purpley hue to it,
Yeah,
doesn't it? Kind
and
of.
it's just not very good.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
Sally's World, that's good.
This is really
That's
good.
really
Okay,
good.
I'm going to post her recipe below. Thank you for joining us. Bye, guys.
Bye.